This is now our 7th edition. Okay, it's actually times 10 of the 6th edition. But 6th edition has been in the market for 5 years. So it is already proven for 5 years. So here, this is the only health product that we have in the company. And for those who are confused, they thought that we are selling the product. No, actually what you paid for, you got two. Okay, the set therapy for your whole family, and a business international franchise for yourself. And there's no limit how many accounts you want to franchise in this company. So for 7 years, I saw so many people, so many Filipinos, okay, change their life because they decided to do the business to franchise. So it means when you franchise for a Diamond account, I encourage Diamond account because it's a whole set therapy, especially those who are already in their 40s, in their 50s, because Pure Cheer is a live cell therapy. There's no killing of the deer in the process. So the company waited for the doe, the female deer, to give birth, okay, and get the placenta like that. So I've been discussing, there's so many presentations all over online, and still there are so many people who do not understand. They thought we are killing the deer. There's no killing of the deer in the process. So one set therapy for the whole family, because a person can understand that health is wealth when they are already on their sick bed or wheelchair, and then their hard-earned money they used to buy medicine for the therapy, for the checkup and all. So it is still good that if we can grow old without pain all over. We are enjoying long quality life with our family. There are so many people also who thought that we are selling the product. Okay, the company is actually not selling the product. So many people, before they started to learn, they don't give it a chance to explain and to learn more about the company. So that's what they thought. Actually, when you purchase, you paid for the product, for the whole therapy, and then also for the business. So you are, wherever you are, you're from India, from UAE, from Europe, Philippines, you're an OFW, you're 18-year-old to 81-year-old, as long as you're willing to do the business, there are trainings available, and your direct sponsor can assist you. Now, your franchise here, if your one Diamond account franchise can give you a passive income from 10% to 80%. But if you will not invite people to franchise in the company, you will not also earn. So every time you invite people, you register them, you encode them, 130 Singapore time, you got your income. RW or Singapore dollars. So one person who join you in the business, they grow their network also. You can earn 10% to 50 to more from them. So more people you have, more income you will have. That is the best preparation for old age. So if you have some questions, actually it's all in the website. It's all in once you are in, you started to invite people also and take the product, you can fully understand. Let me know how to help you if you are not yet a member of Reway.